Hello viewers, how to run Android phone application in PC? This is a very interesting question. In today's video, we will learn this. How do we do it? I am opening Chrome browser. Whatever browser you have, you can open it. I have given the link of the website in the description. You can directly open the site from there. The name of application is BlueStacks 5. We will download it and run the Android application on the PC. So I am using right now Windows 10 64-bit, and whatever you are using you should download according to your system requirement, which I am downloading Nougat 64-bit. As you can see, the downloading has started. After downloading, we will open the file. I am open this file on my desktop. After extracting, click on Install Now. When the downloading has started, then we wait a bit because the file size is 394 MB. So guys, this may take some time. The download is almost complete. If there is an antivirus on your PC, then turn it off and allow the file to be extracted. After extracting, open BlueStacks. As you can see, Play Store is already in BlueStacks. I log in to Play Store and show it. I download YouTube from Play Store. YouTube downloading is started. I am showing after login. You can see YouTube is working. Similarly, you can download other applications which you have to use. Comment if you face any problem in doing these steps. Thanks for watching guys.